theorem 2 from similar triangles. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. So this is the triangle problem. First you have to draw a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle A, B, C is a triangle. A line divides any two sides. Suppose there are two sides AB and BC, which these two sides divides by the line PQ in the same ratio. That is AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC given. So given here, given AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. AQ by QC. We have to prove PQ parallel BC. This is the first side, this is second, this is third side. The PQ parallel third side BC. So let us prove it. Let us consider PQ is not parallel to this. Let us consider PQ, this line is not parallel BC. Let us draw a line. Suppose this is a line PQ dash which is parallel to BC. Suppose PQ is not parallel to BC. Suppose we draw a line PQ dash which is parallel to BC. So suppose PQ dash is parallel to BC. Suppose PQ dash is parallel to BC. Since PQ dash is parallel to BC, therefore we can write AP by AB, that is AP by AB is equal to AQ dash by AC. Since our assumption PQ dash is parallel to BC, therefore AP by AB is equal to AQ dash by AC. Okay. So, but given here AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Now AP, now PB by AP is equal to QC by AQ. Just reciprocally PB by AP is equal to QC by AC, or PB by AP plus 1, adding both sides by 1. This side add 1 and this side also add 1. This is a okay, is equal to left hand side we add 1 and right hand side we add 1 plus 1, or AP LCM or PB plus AP is equal to AQ LCM QC plus AQ, or PB plus AP, that is PB plus AP is equal to AB, or AB. This is your PB plus AP, PB plus AP, PB is, this is your PB or this is your AP. So if you add this, we will get AB by AP is equal to PB by AP is equal to AQC plus AQ. this is your QC, this is your AQ is equal to AC, is equal to AC by AQ. So suppose this is your equation 2, or from or this is or AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC. Suppose this is you reciprocal it, because in the equation 1 you have to compare equation 1 and 2. In left hand side this is AP by AB, so here left hand side must be AP by AB. That is why I reciprocal this, that is AB by AP, thus reciprocal AP by AB. So AP by AB is equal to this, also reciprocal AQ by AC. So now comparing equation 1 and 2. If you compare two equation, left hand side AP by AB, here also AP by AB, and right hand side AQ dash by AC, here AQ by AC. So since left hand side these two are equal, AP by AB, AP by AB, so therefore right hand side must be equal, that is AQ dash by AC is equal to AQ by AC. So AC cancel out, that is AQ dash is equal to AQ. AQ dash is equal to AQ, that is AQ dash is equal to AQ. This is only possible when Q dash coincide with Q, that is PQ dash is equal to PQ. In that case only AQ is equal to AQ dash, AQ is equal to AQ dash, only possible when Q dash coincide with Q. It is only possible when Q dash coincide with Q. That is, in that case AQ dash is equal to AQ, or PQ dash is equal to PQ. So we can tell PQ parallel BC. PQ dash is equal to PQ, that is PQ parallel BC. So in this way you can easily prove it.